Complete. Pasa, bravo, Red Cloud. Fast, 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 fast. Fast, Red Cloud, fast. Pasa, fast, 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 fast. Bravo, Red Cloud.
He's gonna be explosive.
He's biting real hard through teething.
Oh boy, Red Cloud.
Good little dog.
Oh boy, Red Cloud.
This guy's gonna be a man eater. Los. Ven, come. Wait, mira, I want the target here. Complete it. Don't get the fucking dog. Get him excited. Complete it. Complete it. Complete it. Tell him. Come get him again. No, good so bullshit. That's not good so. That's bad so. That's bad so, my man. That's bad so. Hold the dog. Hold this jumping bean. Help out here, buddy. Help out, buddy. This dog's gonna be good for sport. That's the reason. Pro work is gonna be good. Okay. We did. Fast. What are you giving him the bite for? Complete. The fucking dog is faster than you, dude. He's like 3 months old. Let go of the fucking tug. You think you can get this puppy to do some training without you messing up? Complete it. Good boy, Cloud. Complete it. Come on, Cloud. Show this dude what's up. Fast, Cloud. Fast. Tell him. Good jump. Good hit.